Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NXA air circuit breaker. Before starting, please carefully read the manual and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare high-power screwdriver, wrench, slotted screwdriver, scissors, electric screwdriver, insulated gloves, and a 500 megometer. Before starting the installation, check that the order matches the parameters on the circuit breaker nameplate. Then use a 500 megometer to check the insulation resistance of the circuit breaker. Next, proceed with the installation of the drawer-type circuit breaker. First, securing the NXA 16 model drawer base to the mounting plate of the distribution cabinet with 4 M8 bolts. In the NXA 16 model, place the circuit breaker body directly on the drawer base tracks and push it into the drawer base until it can no longer be pushed. Extract the handle, fully insert the hex head of the handle into the handle hole of the drawer base seat. Rotate the handle clockwise until the position indicator reaches the connected position. Install a door frame on the cabinet door with openings. Adjust the position of the circuit breaker to align with the openings on the cabinet door, then secure the circuit breaker base. The NXA series air circuit breaker can have top or bottom incoming lines without affecting the breaker's performance, facilitating installation inside the distribution cabinet. Ensure there is adequate space for good air circulation. Dynamic stability. The first support rod should be kept within the maximum distance from the circuit breaker connection point. To prevent phase-to-phase short circuit faults, this distance must meet dynamic stability requirements. Proper fixation of the busbar depends on the appropriate torque of the bolts and nuts. It is not permitted to apply too much or too little torque. Lastly, perform necessary secondary circuit wiring and grounding. Before powering up, press the handle lever to store energy in the springs, then press the close and open buttons separately to test and confirm that the basic closing and opening functions are working properly. After powering up, ensure the information on the display screen is correctly shown, verifying that it is functioning normally. In case of problems, refer to the fault analysis and troubleshooting guide. We will introduce diagnostic methods and solutions for several common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.